In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord, black screen share, and also black streaming. What you want to do is you want to open up Discord and press on the settings icon right here. Then what you want to do in the user settings is you want to scroll down until you find voice and video. In here you want to scroll down all the way until you find advanced, and you want to try and turn all of this off, all of these three. And then you want to scroll down even more until you find screen share, and you want to turn these two off as well. Now once you've turned all these 5 off, you want to go back and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, just come back and turn these back on, like this. And then what we want to try instead is we want to try and delete our Discord and the Discord folders. So come here and search for apps and features. In here search for Discord, click uninstall, and then you want to search for run % local app data %. Open it up, find Discord, delete this folder, and then search for run and search % app data %. Find Discord and delete this one. And then what you want to do is you want to clear your recycle bin, and then you want to go and reinstall Discord and see if it works now. Now that's about it, guys. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.